Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to meal prep for Melbourne. Normally when I go to Melbourne I just buy like supermarket microwave meals, but I thought this trip I'm gonna meal prep some stuff because I'm gonna be there for 5 days and I know I'm gonna get sick of Uber Eats and then sick of microwave meals, and I'm not gonna be bothered cooking while I'm there, so I thought I would meal prep some stuff and take it with me. So I'm going to do a risotto. So I'm gonna do like a chicken and tomato risotto, then I'm just gonna do like a little mini lasagna. And then I'm also going to make a chow mein mince. I know, don't at me, it's a packet. Probably could put all this stuff in here together myself, but you know, any other leftovers Jace will have for while I'm in Melbourne as well. On my last trip to Melbourne, I did a little week in the life and vlogged everything that I ate, and I pretty much ate Uber Eats the whole time. Oh my god, Melbourne food is so yum. So I'm going to prep lunches, and then for dinners I'll either go out for dinner or order Uber Eats. Now, if you know me, you know I'm not the best cook. So I hope you enjoy watching me cook, and I hope I can provide you with a little bit of entertainment. I'm sorry if I do things awkwardly. We used to do HelloFresh, but I actually really got sick of it. Like, it was annoying having all the ingredients, and like it's almost like they were massive meals. Like sometimes you just want to put like chicken and veggies in the oven, like you don't want to have to prep this whole massive meal. So we did HelloFresh for like, I'm gonna say like 3 or 4 years. We did it in Melbourne like the whole time we were there because it was just so much easier. And then once we got back we did it as well too because we found it helped a lot with Charlotte and like newborn life and stuff like that. So stopped HelloFresh, and that means I'm on dinner duty. Most of the ingredients for these I already had. That's why I chose to cook these particular things. I had tomatoes already because I'm obsessed with them at the moment. I had bacon, so I'm gonna do like tomato, chicken and bacon risotto. I'm gonna do a baked one in the oven. And then I also had stuff to make a lasagna as well too. I just had to get mincemeat, so I thought that's probably the easiest thing to make. And there's nothing worse than going to the supermarket because it's so expensive. So I just tried to use as much as we already had here. I'm just gonna go change my top because this is my new country road one and the bacon is spitting at me and I don't want to get like oil all over it, so I'll be back. That's a zucchini. You gotta squish the berries before you eat them, darling. You squish it? You squish it before you eat it? You say more, please? You say please?
Please.
Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me do meal prep for Melbourne.